Hi everyone, welcome to the sixth and last lesson of our lettering course. Today we will make our final piece. I hope you have practiced with several phrases and have chosen your favorite one. As you can see, I chose the phrase raise your words. I decided to do it with this phrase because of the strength it has, and the combination of letters allows me to play with them to create a good harmony in the design. So after I chose my phrase, I practiced it many times to understand it better and to study what detail I could highlight in my letters. So what are you seeing is the result of practicing the same phrase several times. Please try to do the same with your pieces, since doing this will give you much more confidence. Even a good exercise is to sketch your sentence, your phrase, with a pencil to modify detail such as the endings. The pencil is important because we can have more control over it, so we can make custom strokes. After you have practiced several times, it's time for you to pick up a white sheet of paper, draw some guidelines, and start drawing your piece. Relax your hand and have fun. That is the most important thing. So you can try different effects such as a color juxtapose, a 3D volume effect, or whatever comes to mind. Feel free to experiment with your letters. And this is just the beginning. Also, if you have some knowledge about any digital software, you can try to put different textures and try different colors. So feel free. Well, guys, we are getting to the end of our course. So I hope you have enjoyed this course and have reviewed all the lessons. If you didn't, the videos are on this channel so you can have a look at them. From now on, it depends on the practice and perseverance you have with this technique. Over time, you will see how you generate your style and how it becomes easier and more comfortable every day. Thank you so much for being here, for supporting this channel, and remember that even in these crazy times, we can do a lot of things from home. So stay home and see you later.